What's going on? I usually don't make videos, but for all you Mini Cooper fans, if you bought a iJDM Sidemarker lamp replacement, here we go, let's take that off, for the Mini Cooper 2009 to 2015, I believe, to replace this right here, unless you have clear instructions, it's pretty hard to know exactly how to replace it, and I don't have any car knowledge, so I know there was no good videos, so I thought I'd make this one. So it's pretty simple on how to take this off. I already halfway did it. There's a metal tab in there that sometimes gets caught if it's finicky. So you have this when you pull it out, and there is a little latch right here, so you squeeze that down right here. See if I can't do this with one hand. Squeeze that, pull it right out, and you're left with this. So your initial thought would be to plug what you have here directly into here, but no. You want to take this and you have to take the bulb out. So you turn this counterclockwise and then it pulls straight out. I have to shake it a little bit. There you have your bulb, and your bulb will pull straight out. So you're left with this, and that is where you're going to plug this bad boy into. Plug that right in there. Make sure it's even. Then you're going to plug here, right back into the original spot. Hear that click, you know it's in there. And then, just to make it a little neater, you secure these wires in here. So you're left with this. And now, it's just as simple as you took it off. Just put it back on. Show you the finished product so I don't have to mess with this. There you go.